The finish is amazing.
Yeah, it's all the beauty of like Star machines, you know, they can make some very, very nice parts.
I'm here at Star and we're stood in front of the brand new SP32 that will be launched next February. Now, Matt, what can you tell me about it? This is the first time it's been in the UK.
Yeah, it's brilliant. So this is our new entry-level 32mm machine. So this will appeal to customers who are a bit more budget-friendly. It's still highly capable, so a lot of tool positions. This one's to give you a preview, really, of what's to come. And so the final one that we'll get from next year will have 5 positions on the sub-spindle, so give them even more flexibility.
Now, with you bringing a budget-friendly machine to the market, is that to try and help more people get into sliding head machines?
Yeah, it's that, and also for customers who might not have the complex parts that need one of our highest spec 32mm machines as well.
But I think we do need to get across that even though this is a budget-friendly version, you still get the same accuracy, rigidity, and this will still hold tolerances all day long.
Absolutely. I mean, from the sample part you saw earlier, this one
talking of sample part,
there you go. This one we made earlier. You can see all the features. Yeah, there's a lot of milled, drilled features on there. You can see from even inside the machine all the different tool hold positions. So yeah, highly capable machine.
And I think what's great about this part that people will be able to see at home is the threading right down in the bottom. The finish is amazing.
Yeah, it's all the beauty of like Star machines, you know, they can make some very, very nice parts.
Now, talk me through the working envelope of this machine, because I've just read on here, which sort of blew my mind a little bit, how big a part you can put in here.
You could put up to 35mm of bar, but the main thing is, like you pointed out, was the stroke of the main spindle, so you could do some really long parts.
Now, up to 310 mil long.
Well, that's the stroke of the spindle, so you can do quite a long part. You can re-stroke, and so if you're doing long parts ejection going out through the back of the machine, so we've had customers do up to a couple of meters long parts.
Now, obviously, there's a lot of people who think of sliding head machines as small, complex, batch work, but that's not true anymore. The flexibility you have on these machines, you can do quite a lot now.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got customers that will use it as like a bar fed milling machine. Some customers will use it for small batches. You know, it covers so much, you know, variety of work.
So what has the customers who have been today and seen this machine, what's been their reaction to it?
It's really just a good idea of what's coming next, you know, to give them a flavour of what Star's developing.
Now, I like what you said there. It gives them a flavour of what Star are developing, because we get a lot of machine tool suppliers who just drop a new machine and go, by the way, we've made this.
Yeah.
But for you to give customers a preview, surely that must help them in planning their future as well.
Yep, absolutely. You know, you've got customers who might not be investing until at some point next year, so it's something they can bear in mind, ready for when they need to.
Well, Matt, it's been great to hear all about the brand new SP32, and I really look forward to its launch next February.
Me too.
Cheers.